Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions, and feel free to leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Enjoy the video. On January 25, 2023, officers with the Houston Police Department were called to the scene of a suspected domestic violence incident. Paramedics were already on scene and were treating the complainant, who was suffering from a laceration on her finger. The complainant told the paramedics that her boyfriend used a broken wine bottle to cut her and held it up to her neck.
Yeah, you guys are supposed to go outside.
Hello.
Oh, I thought the paramedics already left.
Huh? I'm a paramedic. I'm a police.
Oh, I know.
Is he here? Your boyfriend? I need to talk to him. Hey, come here for a minute.
All right, come step out here, dude.
Come on out. Put the dog. Come here. Come on, turn around. Turn around.
Wait, why are you taking me to jail?
Turn around. I'm detaining him right now. We'll get the bottom of all that, okay?
Figure out what's going on right now.
No, I...
2070, you want me to detain? Yeah, okay. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna have a talk, me and you. Okay. We're good. You got anything on you ain't supposed to have?
No,
anything in your pocket?
No.
No?
No.
Alright. You got ID?
Oh, yeah, it's upstairs.
Do you know it? Alright. We'll do it by your name and everything like that.
Okay.
So why do you think you're in cuffs?
My girl called and she broke her hand with the wine because she broke her hand with the wine bottle, and she called for the law because she couldn't. Well, she didn't call the law. She called the fire department because she couldn't stop the bleeding. So I was just call the fire department.
So nothing happened between y'all?
Nah, not no physical, like we fighting or nothing like that. It's just,
no?
Nah, she's just angry, wine bottle. Now it's her hand cut. So it's like,
oh yeah?
Yeah.
I got you. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
But you know, we gotta do what we gotta do when people are bleeding and stuff. And here,
That's understandable. But she just said she called for her hand though.
I know.
To get her hand faster.
And like I said, we'll get all that figured out.
Okay.
Y'all ever gotten into it before?
Nah, that's my girl.
No?
I've been with her since what, freshman year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How old are y'all?
19.
19?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, right here. I'm just gonna check you real quick. Just stand just like that.
More really just took that video.
Your girl's hands are
No, I...
cut up.
I had a wine bottle that I used.
That ain't what you told HFD.
That ain't what I was?
That ain't what you told the fire department.
I
That's
just
not what
told
we
her
heard.
that I cut my hand. I was on the phone with my sister and everything. How are you just going to take him away like that?
Okay. Well, so
Just hit my hand on a wine bottle. It's not even that big.
So you just gonna hit your hand on a wine bottle? How'd you hit your hand on a wine
I
bottle?
didn't necessarily hit it on the wine bottle. It fell, and I was trying to catch it, and it broke on the ground. It's not even that big to where...
Let me see.
Yeah, it's not even that big to where it's like that bad. It's like literally just a cut. I can't pull it up because they wrapped it, but it's literally just a cut.
Why are you protecting him for?
I'm not protecting him. I don't get... There's no scratches or nothing on me. I don't get beat on. I literally told these people it was an accident, but they saw him by the window and was telling me nobody should be abusing you and stuff. I'm like, no.
Let me see the cut.
Get in here, Bubba, please. Get in here, Rambo. It's just like, it's not even that big.
Oh, goodness.
Yes,
Okay.
it's not even that big.
Where's the glass at?
We cleaned it up. It was in the kitchen. We cleaned it up. We cleaned it up. It was in the kitchen.
You said it all was on the kitchen?
Yeah.
Hi, Rambo. His name's Rambo?
Yeah.
Hi, Rambo.
It's not that, here's the way the wine spilled and everything. It's not that big of a deal. He didn't do anything. This is literally where it spilled. It's not that bad. It's literally just a cut. It's not that bad. Jesus Christ. Oh,
What's his name?
Corey.
Corey what?
Hale.
Corey Hill? You got your ID on you?
Yes, the boat's sitting right there.
Well, we automatically come out. If they come out for anybody that claims injury, we automatically come out. So it doesn't matter if you don't call us or not. When you call and say you got injured, they automatically send us.
He's not going to jail, right?
We'll get trying to figure out what's going on right now. Okay, that's it. He's downstairs sitting in the back of a police car so we can figure out what's going on right now. Okay, and like I said, well, I'll get your statement, right? I'll get your statement, and then we're gonna talk to him and figure out what's going on. Okay? How long y'all been in a relationship together? You and Corey? You and Corey been for 5 years?
Mm-hmm. Since we were 16.
Okay, so since high school, right?
Yes, sir.
And just give me if you're saying he didn't do anything to you,
Yeah.
then at that point in time you're lying to us.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you're lying to us. I told you already talked to the fire department. We got enough we need to at least cuff him up and bring him down there. So if you want to keep covering for this guy because y'all been in a relationship together for 5 years,
I'm not covering for him.
you are covering for him.
With a wine spill.
A wine don't just spill and then you cut your hand like that. You understand me? I've been doing this for a while.
But I don't want him to go to jail. I didn't.
And nobody wants that, but I mean, nobody wants that. We don't want that either, but we want to get to the bottom of what actually happened.
Yeah, I didn't call the police. I called the ambulance.
Okay, so what exactly happened today?
I told you.
Go, tell me your story. Go ahead.
We were in the kitchen. I was about to make me some wine, and the thing fell off, and I tried to pick it up. I tried to catch it, but it fell.
But it fell?
Yes, right here. The wine is all
Okay.
over the ground.
And it fell right there? And you prior to us coming up here, you already cleaned it up and everything?
Yeah, it's like there wasn't like a fight or anything. We weren't up here fighting. You can ask our neighbors. Like, we weren't up here like fighting. It just happened. And
Okay.
I called the ambulance. At first I wasn't going to, but my sister told me I should so she could see my meat. So I just said, okay, I'll call them. And I called them, but I didn't expect anyone to come up here and arrest him.
Okay.
He didn't do anything.
Okay, like I said, if that's what your story is, that's what we're going to tell the district attorney's office, okay? We're not to call a DA based on what happened, okay? And like I said,
So you're still going to arrest him?
I'm not arresting. No, he's not arrested right now. He's being detained.
I know, but I mean, you're still going to take him
It's
down?
still going to be a full investigation right now based on what we already intel we already got from the fire department down there, okay?
But are you telling me you're still going to arrest him even though I'm telling you he didn't do anything to me?
Like I said, we'll go ahead and work it right now and figure it out from there, okay? We're going to talk to him downstairs and we'll figure out what's going on with Corey, okay? If Corey said nothing happened, then nothing happened, right?
Yeah.
And we'll go from there. First, and we'll go ahead and come back up here and then we'll figure it out, okay? But otherwise, I mean, that's a lot of blood right there.
Yeah, it was dripping like it
Was it? Okay. All right. Hang tight, okay? Huh? You still denying anything? So what was it? So when y'all came up here, she was still bleeding, right? When y'all came in?
The door was cracked, and we just heard yelling.
Oh, you heard a lot.
Originally, I was like, call HPD, but I was like, hold on, let's just see what's going on. She came out. She said that she got a cut on her hand. But we got it out of her. It was like, well, what happened? She was like, he broke a wine bottle on the counter and put it to her neck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I guess she tried to stop him from doing it.
And she never said why he did that or anything? That's just
we
what
didn't get that deep.
Get to that deep, but that's basically what you got so far, right? Okay. All right. Let me get your information because, like I said, she's in there. Obviously, she's gonna be that girlfriend that protects, and they've been in a relationship since 5-6 years, since she was like 16. Yeah, she's 16, so she's gonna do everything to protect them. What's your name, sir?
Perry.
Perry. That's your name.
All right, so why would anyone get the insinuation that something else happened to cause that wine bottle?
I have no idea. We was having a little disagreement, but it wasn't no big fight. It was just she was mad. Wine bottles right there. Whatever she did behind the counter is just whatever messed up her hand, and she started crying. I'm like, what's going on? I have a gash on my hand. What's going on? We trying to wrap it up. I'm not no doctor, so it's like the blood keep coming. I was like, baby, just call paramedics.
Where at did she get cut?
On her hand, one of the hands.
Okay.
Yeah, on the back.
One of her hands?
Yeah.
You don't know which hand, though?
No.
Okay.
I was just like, baby, just call paramedics.
But you thought it was bleeding a lot, though, right?
Yeah, we had some wrap on it, but we couldn't get the stop type. And we wanted to just fill it up with napkins and stuff.
Yeah.
I was like, you call paramedics so it can just be over.
Okay.
More wrap.
Okay. All right. Well, my partner's gonna be up there talking, and then we'll go from there. Okay. And we'll push forward. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll get to the bottom of what's going on and
yeah.
why we're actually here. So
yeah, it ain't done too much.
I got you.
Why are you so tired?
Because we still have to call anyways based on the statement of the HFD guys out here. And I don't have my body camera on. And I'm not going to lose my job over you trying to defend your boyfriend.
Of course.
Oh, that's fine. And that's fine. And like I said, you need to go upstairs. You can either hang out here or you can go upstairs and hang out for a little bit. But you got to get that address because they try to get you to go get it stitched, okay?
Yeah, and I told them I will go get it done.
And that's fine. That's absolutely fine. But you got to let us do our thing, right? If we come out here and the fire department told us that your boyfriend broke the bottom and held it to your neck, that's what you told.
Gashes on my neck.
That, like I said, I find them credible. Okay? They're not going to just tell us that just because. Their statement is credible, and their statement will be in this report.
But if I'm saying one thing,
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That's why we have to call. We have to call and we have to tell them that you're telling us this, he's saying this, and this is what they're telling us. And ultimately, at the end of the day, no matter how you look at it, there will be a police report today to document what happens, right? Regardless if he's going to jail. Yeah, regardless if he's going to jail or not. So only two things can happen right now. He's either going to go to jail for what he did to you, or he's not going to go to jail. And like I said, there's only two things right now, okay?
Like, do I need to call his mom or something? Because I don't understand why he's sitting in a police car if he didn't do anything to me.
Like I said, you can deny it all you want, and that's your right, okay? If you don't want to tell me anything, you don't have to tell me anything, okay? But I'm gonna.
I just don't understand how you can arrest someone for something that they did.
Because we're not gonna arrest somebody for no reason. Do you understand? We're basing this off of the what you already told the fire department.
And I told them if I was in a domestic, I would have just hopped in the truck with him and went to the ambulance and let y'all know what he did to him. I would have just done that. I said we're done talking for now. My partner's already on the phone. He's calling the district attorney, and we're just gonna go ahead and seek consultation from them and figure out what's going on. Okay? And like I told you before, only two things are going to happen today. Either he's going to go to jail or he's not going to go to jail, okay? I understand. Like I said, just hang tight, okay? If you want to hang out down here, hang out down here. But like I said, if you decide to go upstairs with the dog, I will come upstairs and talk to you afterwards, okay? So.
20-year-old Corey Hale was arrested on one count of felony assault on a family member. If convicted, he could face anywhere from 2 to 20 years behind bars. Fortunately for him, he has no previous criminal record other than a few tickets.
All right, my man. I have some bad news. I'm going to take the ride today. Because based on what was told to us by paramedics when they got here, about how that cut actually happened, the DA decided they want to take charges. This isn't a...
Wait, the DA? What's going on?
You're going to go to jail.
I'm going to go to jail?
Yeah.
Wait, what am I having to go to jail for?
Well, because that wine bottle, you were holding the wine bottle, and her hand got cut because of it, because y'all got into a disagreement. So...
Wait, I'm not understanding. Wait, what's going on?
Okay, like I said, this is based off of what we're told from HFD that was told to HFD.
HFD, that's the
paramedics, yep.
Wait, can you bring my girl down here?
No.
Well, I'm not saying, I'm not understanding.
I know, well, this isn't a conviction or anything like that. This is what we're finding right now, okay? This isn't whatever.
I mean, because you said, I'm just...
You're going to go to jail today and get booked in, okay? You're getting booked in for assault because of the bottle.
Assault? But I didn't hit her with the bottle.
Okay, well, based on what we were told
yes, sir.
in this investigation and found to be credible, that's what's happening right now, okay?
Can I get a different shirt? I don't want to go in here with this jacket on.
Do you have anything underneath?
No, sir. I haven't.
So what we can do is when I get down there, I can take that off, you can go in shirtless, and then they can give you an orange shirt, okay? That way you're not really going in there, but you still have your property.
But can we get an understanding that it's not assault? We were just literally in the house talking. I'm not understanding where assault came from, sir.
With the wine bottle, the broken wine bottle.
Yeah, but I'm not understanding. Like, I didn't hit her or with her.
So you didn't hold it up at her like this, and she didn't try and block you like that, and that's how your hand got cut? Because that's what I'm being told.
No, sir. Who's telling you that?
Okay. That's where we're at right now. Like I said, we can argue back and forth all day long. Okay. I'm just telling you how this is going. It's going to happen, and then from there, you have your ability to have your day to prove otherwise, okay?
Am I going to,
You're going downtown and getting booked in, okay?
am I going to be able to get bailed out, or no, I have to sit in?
More than likely, because you've never been arrested before, I see. The chances of you getting bonded out are pretty great.
Am I going to be able to get bonded out tonight, or it's going to be like
Pretty good chance, okay? And that's being honest, okay? When we get told certain things, I can't look the other way because of this.
Yes, sir.
And I have to push it up the chain, okay? Everything I was explained on the events that took place before I got here were explained to me, and I pushed that forward to the district attorney. The district attorney is the ones who makes the decision based on certain things that are said,
Yes, sir.
whether they push forward and you go to jail tonight. Now, does that mean that's the end-all, be-all, you are convicted and go to prison? No. This means you get booked in, and then you'll have a court date, okay? And everything in between there, between you and the judge and whatever, and your girl's, saying nothing happened, but again, we're told things and we got to push forward, okay?
But if she's saying nothing happened,
all right. Sit tight.
Yes, sir.
All right.
But one more.
All right, so how big is that cut on your hand?
Not big at all. It's not.
I'm just asking.
I'm not trying to catch an attitude.
No, I don't think you have an attitude.
Why are y'all Why is he?
Okay. I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? I know the paramedics came up here and talked to you before, right?
When they did, and I literally kept saying over and over again, it was just a wine bottle. I kept saying that.
I know.
And then I got on the phone with my mom, and I just started crying.
Okay. But you told them a different story, which is why they have no reason to tell us different. That's why we're even out here. If you wouldn't,
I wasn't even talking to them. I was saying it to my mother.
But you told. So you told your mom that he had a wine bottle, and you held your hand up, and that's why it's cut.
No, I wasn't saying that to them at all.
I know, not to them, but you were telling your mom that, right?
I just don't understand.
Just be honest with me. It's not going to change the outcome. He's going.
Why?
Because of that statement. Whether
if I'm telling you, a police officer out of my mouth, he didn't do anything. Why does somebody else's story matter? Like,
you want to go to the hospital and get stitches? Okay, no.
Any hospital. I want to know why someone else's word is over mine. Who cares if he did it or not? If I'm telling you he didn't do it, it shouldn't matter.
So whether you say it or not, in the state of Texas, if there's reason to believe that actually transpired, it's not in your hands to say you want to press charges. It's not in your hands. The state takes over.
He didn't do anything to me.
But you just said
the wine bottle. I was on the phone talking to my mom about something totally different.
Okay. The district attorney took him charges. It has nothing to do with what I want. Okay? All I can do.
Bye to him?
Can I finish? I'm explaining to you. I'm trying to be reasonable. I'm not being rude. I haven't been rude to him. He's very understanding of what's going on, and everything is this is not the end all be all. Like I told him, okay? This is not a conviction in the book. You go to jail forever, okay? You're getting booked in today based on the.
Didn't do anything to me, and you guys are just taking him to jail.
Okay. Well, we're not here just because of no reason.
I didn't even call the police.
I got you.
Literally just
wanted
an ambulance to come here to clean my hand. That's literally
I got you.
all.
I got you. So where's the wine bottle?
Bye to him.
Did y'all throw the wine bottle away?
We cleaned it up together. There's not even any mess up there.
So, does he know your phone number?
Yes.
Okay. Well,
I don't even know
I know.
if he does or not because my regular phone is off and he doesn't know the text now.
Okay. Well, he can't text you from down there anyway, so.
No, I'm saying he doesn't know the other number that I use when my phone isn't working.
Okay. Well, we're not going to do that because we got to go. Like I said, in these types of scenarios, we keep y'all separated. So this is going to be your. I see that. Like I said, him and I have had a conversation. All right, we've been talking out here, and he's calm and understands, and we go from there.
I don't want him to go to jail.
All right. Well, he's going.
I don't want him to go to jail.
All right. Well, he's going. That's fine.
We wasn't going to call HPD, but when she said,
bottles.
I was like, oh, that. If he would have just broke the bottle and that was that, it was an accident.
Yeah. You can't take the shades
broke
nowadays.
The bottle and glass and cut it.
But everything.
Glass,
was there a broken bottle up there?
We didn't see.
Okay.
We didn't go in.
I mean, he told me there was a broken bottle too. He just didn't tell me the reasoning behind it.
Yeah.
His was real vague.
She was like, oh,
went behind the counter, you know, and then her hand was cut, but then he couldn't tell me which hand, even though he knew the hand was bleeding really, really bad, but still couldn't tell me which hand, which kind of tells me that that's off.
Yeah.
And if you see someone's hand,
she's real defensive.
Yeah. I told him, all right. Hey, I appreciate y'all. Like I said, I'll put you in there as a witness because you're gonna be the one that everything y'all saw it. So I mean, you're the reason why she's gonna be protected tonight because we don't know.
It's a very serious allegation. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, she made an outcry. Unfortunately, she didn't realize when she made the outcry that we're on the way. I explained to her. I said, every time something like this happens, we always come when HFD comes, especially if somebody gets injured.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Now you want to hand it to her? I'll go ahead and
Yeah.
process it.
Yep.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I know. Hey, appreciate y'all, man. Y'all be safe out there. We'll catch you on the next one. All right.
All right.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.